This is a variation of downward facing dog pose using a strap and a door. This variation was taught to me by Deborah Wolk. It's a little different from the one that you've seen by Elise Browning Miller. Stand with the strap right at the fold of the hip, turn back, grab the ropes or the strap, turn around facing the strap, take your leg up and over. The straps should be again in the fold of the hip. This creates a really lovely internal rotation of the thigh bones as you move into downward facing dog. Creates balance in the hips. Bend forward. Take your hands to either the floor, blocks, or a chair. Walk your feet back. Walk your hands out. This really encourages the femur bones to move back and creates a lot of length in the spine. If the hamstrings are tight, bend the legs, lift the heels, or place blocks underneath the heels. When you come out, walk the hands back, walk the feet forward, come up, and all you have to do, drop the strap from the door and walk out.